Oh, Ben's down here. Sorry about that.
Ben's making sure we get it all
it's
right.
a big booth. He's just working his way around.
Where's Ben at? Oh, buddy.
Yes. There he is.
Ben Herbstreit, rocking the chain. Wow,
Everywhere we go, they give him a different credential. This time, there it is. Hello. Hey.
Offense per game, and I think that continues.
Talk about a guy. I mean, it's a big game here, kid.
You just woke him up. You heard
That's
his
my
name.
fault. He heard his name.
Hey, look at Peter. Peter's nibbling on the grass. Is that allowed?
Do we have a Pete sighting? There he is.
Yeah.
There he is.
There he is. I may still have a bad taste in my mouth.
Unbelievable what he's done this year. Good to see you, Peter. But
As in this time around.
Yeah, Texas going into a place.
Gotta see your brother.
Peter, you're freezing. You're icing this kid, Peter. Peter, you got new toy, Peter.